In this video, I will show you how to write off bad debt in QuickBooks. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to settings and then select chart of accounts. So simply click on settings, then simply click on chart of accounts, and then here you're gonna have to simply select new, and then you're gonna have to simply create the new account. So as you can see from the account type drop down, select expenses right here. So let's scroll down and choose expenses, and then here from the detail type select bad debts, so right here. And as you can see in the name field, enter bad debts and then simply select save and close, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, I should have already this, so we're gonna have to scroll down and we should have right here. Let's see what it is. So basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, we have here bad debt, so we can edit this if we want. We can add if we want new transactions, and basically that's it. So you're gonna have to simply go to transactions and then simply click on chart of accounts here, and we're gonna find it right here. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.